Why GoPro input this stick on the battery? You can see all the GoPro battery that I have. It have the stick on its battery. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you what this stick is useful for your GoPro. Okay, and without this stick, what will happen to your GoPro? Okay, now let's take out the cover and input the battery to inside the GoPro. Okay, and you can see when you input the battery, there are no way that you can take out the battery. So the purpose of this stick is you can take it out the battery with that stick. Okay, so for example, if the battery don't have that stick, so when you input to it, so how can you take out the battery from your GoPro? Okay, so it's simple like this. And thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.